Yeah, hi Harish. Good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon, Nitesh. I'm fine. How are you?
All good, thank you. So Harish, as you know, we are here for a quick feedback call to understand your overall experience about the training which you have just now completed of Python plus Ansible and DevNet Associate. So it would be really great, like if you can share a few points about the training, about the trainer, about the content, and about the labs which we have shared to you.
Yeah. So overall experience has been great, of course. And to be honest, I wanted that to continue for longer. But yes, the course length was that. So with regards to, I mean, I think the most important thing and the most helpful thing was the amount of resource which has been shared. And of course, self-study is also a key thing with such a vast topic, right? But then the amount of resources which was shared and the help which was provided by AB Abhijit, AB is what we used to call him,
Yeah,
um, in terms of setting up the lab, and he used to take personal care in kind of individually helping folks setting up their labs and with their questions. So that was really great. And he was always quite well prepared, and the session was crisp. It was not like, so it was crisp and on time. And whenever there was a shift of session timings, etc., it was informed prior to us. So that was all well planned, and overall execution was really great. And content was, of course, great. I mean, did a lot of topics as part of the DevNet, but then would definitely like to in future, in the recent future, I would definitely like to kind of go on deeper sessions as well beyond CCNA, but need to do some of my homework as well based on the resources which has been shared. So yeah, overall it was quite good. Yeah.
that's good, Harish. So, is there anything more you wanted to add about the trainer which like he has covered all the topics, or is there anything like in the starting you mentioned you wanted to go on more longer, so like he has covered all the concepts of CCNA DevNet, or you are talking about the CCNP DevNet also?
Yes, yes. So of course, yes, covered all the topics. So to be honest, I was not specifically on CCNA. So my reason for joining was more getting into automation a little deeper. Of course, CCNA was the best place to start, and of course, the topics which was covered were as per CCNA. So it did give me a window to kind of start where I need to start. Excuse me. Yeah, so where I need to start, and so now I have this stuff so that I can start now and start walking. And then eventually I would like to check with you guys for further detailed training as well to CCNP level, or if there is something kind of an open Python or Linux kind of a thing, which I would like to join for further getting deeper into the topic and associate more with the work. But yeah, so in short, all the topics were covered, of course. Yeah,
Yes,
it's just that I would like to go further and take more courses in future. Yeah,
sure, sure. You're most
yeah,
welcome. Yeah.
yeah,
So
yeah.
thanks a lot, Harish, for your time and your kind words. Yeah. I really hope this training will help you a lot in your career. Yeah.
Sure, sure, definitely. And in fact, you guys have kept the Telegram chat open, and the recordings are available. Unlimited, so that's all great. So it kind of keeps you connected, and at the same time, in case of any doubt, it's easier to check with the other folks who are working. Yeah. So thank you very much for your time, and thanks to you and AB as well.